Hi friends, I'm glad to see you on our Space Shoes channel. And today I should make a confession. I have a philology degree, but as you can notice from my pronunciation, love to study languages passed me by. However, instead, I have a passion to discover the semantic and definition of words and terms. Already bored? Please do not switch. In this video, I will take you to the world of Mary Jane on my lame English horse to explain why Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutin, Prada, Miu Miu, Manolo Blahnik, my son Margiela, and many others use this innocent girl in creation of their leather masterpieces. Moreover, we will make an unboxing of a unisex model of Dr. Martens together, Corran Atlas Leather Mary Jane heel shoes. The term Mary Jane refers to a specific style of shoe characterized by its closed-toe design, low-cut front, and a strap across the instep, often with a buckle or button closure. Here is a brief history and explanation of why the shoes are called Mary Jane. Before they were Mary Janes, they were called bare shoes and were worn by children in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In the year 1904, bar shoes became known as Mary Janes when the Brown Shoes Company of Missouri named their bar shoes after the mischievous cartoon character Buster Brown and his sweetheart Mary Jane. The Brown Shoes Company realized that the marketing benefits of commercial association themselves with Buster Brown and paid $200 to cartoonists for licensing rights. They also bought the rights for Buster's sweetheart Mary Jane, whose character was based on the cartoonist's daughter of the same name. In the 1960s, designer Mary Quant put model Twiggy in a pair, thereafter making them a fashion staple for not only for kids but also for women. The name Mary Jane has its roots in American pop culture, stemming from a comic character and has since evolved into a beloved footwear style for people of all ages. The combination of its iconic design and cultural significance has contributed to its lasting popularity in fashion. Look at these pretty Mary Janes from Prada. Having an extra $1,000, I would be happy to buy them for my shoes collection. Or this my son Margiela Tabby shoes, heartbreaking Miu Miu for a young lady, Manolo Blahnik pair from New York streets. This Mary Jane silhouette became so popular, and you can buy it everywhere, from such mass markets as Zara to Jimmy Choo or with such luxury brands. Good old Dr. Martens is not an exception. Their new model Corran Atlas Leather Mary Jane heel shoes is a good example of it. Let's unbox it together. Wow, the shoes is quite heavy, but I am so excited at what is inside. This statement Mary Jane silhouette is built from Atlas leather with leather quilts, tassels, and distinctive square-toe shape. The shoes is also detailed with tunnel stitching, a gunmetal buckle, and the black and yellow DM heels loop. The DM signature yellow welt stitching stands out as an unmistakable final touch. In my hands they look very massive, but on feet they suit perfect. Look at them with my eyes, the square toe shape. I don't even believe that it is so nice. In this case, I prefer to disagree with JQ's statement that the squared form must tie. High of the heel 7 centimeters. Platform is massive. One of the standout features of these heels is the comfort level. They are designed with a cushioned footbed that provides ample support, making them suitable for all-day wear. The new chunky heel is unmistakably DM's, with exchanged laughing and grooving pattern to mirror signature of DM's outsole. The adjustable buckle allows for a customizable fit, accommodating various foot sizes. While they have a bold, statement-making silhouette, this Mary Jane can be styled in various ways, from casual outfits to more dressed-up looks. They add an edgy, yet vintage-inspired flair to any wardrobe, and it was an impulsive buy, but I have no idea how to style these heels with my wardrobe. But I wish to have this pair of Dr. Martens when I was a student because they're ideal for back to school floor like in Gossip Girl. I would really like to criticize this pair of damn Mary Jane heels, but I can't. I bought them for 220 euros. Of course, it's quite expensive, but buying the shoes of DM, I'm always sure that it is a durable thing and I can wear it for the number of seasons. In essence, Dr. Martens' Corran Mary Jane heels bring together the brand's iconic durability and alternative style with retro chic twist. They're perfect for those who love the classic Mary Jane silhouette but want something with a bit more edge. And that is for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed diving into the history and charm of Mary Jane with me. Whenever you're a shoes enthusiast or just curious about fashion's little details, remember that every pair tells a story. Let me know in the comments how you style these chunky heels or if you have any other shoe brand you want me to explore. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this unboxing and don't forget to subscribe for more shoe stories and reviews. Until the next time, may your shoes be stylish and your step confident. Bye!